You have been collecting HST from your clients for months, and now the deadline is getting close, and you're not sure what to do about it. I've been there. The feeling of just staring at CRA website and not knowing where to click. This video, the exact walkthrough I wish I had, and it will be done in under 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Quick note before we start. This is not a financial advice. Always verify with CRA and a CPA for your specific situation. Okay, before you open the CRA NetSuite portal, here's what you need. Just 3 things. 1. Your HST number. That is on your CRA registration confirmation. 2nd is your 4-digit access code, which you got from CRA in the letter. 3rd is your totals for the period. Total sales and total ITCs or input tax credit from your expenses that you can claim. That is it. No stacks of receipts, no counting degree. Where do you find these numbers? Your invoices and your expense records. If you're using a spreadsheet or an app like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, just pull the summary of sales for the period and also the total ITCs for the period, and done. I have a free template that I created in the description below that you can use to file HST. You can download and pre-fill the Excel sheets before you file HST to make it easier. I created a formula in this column to calculate automatically for you and to help you to summarize. And you can also file it in batches for multiple businesses. Quick question before we dive in. Is this your first time filing HST? Drop a sentence in the comments below. Alright, go to canada.ca and search for File GST and HST Return, and you will land on the NETFILE entry point. The first thing you will see is enter your HST number, your access code, and your reporting period. Make sure those dates matches your filing frequency. After filing it, the website will prompt you the filing information. Now let's go through the fields one by one. First is line 101, total sales and other revenue. This is your gross sales for the period before HST, just your revenue number. Second is line 105, HST collected. This is the HST that you charge your clients. If you are in Ontario and charge 13% on every invoice, that is that total. Third is line 108, input tax credit, or in short, ITCs. This is the HST you paid on your own business expense, and you get to claim it back. Think of it like getting a deposit back. The government charged you HST to run your business, and this is where you recover it. Fourth is line 109, net tax. This is what you actually owe. It is line 105 minus line 108. If that number is positive, you send money to CRA. If it's negative, CRA sends money to you. If this is landing well, please like and subscribe. I post plain English Canadian business content every week. Let me give you a quick example so the numbers click. Say you invoice $50,000 this year and charge 13% HST. That is $6,500 collected. You spent $10,000 on business expenses and paid $1,300 HST on those. Your net taxes is $6,500 minus $1,300 equals $5,200 owing to CRA. That is the whole calculation. The form does the math. You just need the right inputs. One caveat, this example uses Ontario HST rate. Rates vary by province, so confirm your applicable rate at canada.ca. Before you hit submit, a quick note on filing frequency because this matters. If your revenue is under $1.5 million, you are likely an annual filer. If you file once a year, due 3 months after your fiscal year end. Between 1.5 and 6 million, you file quarterly, 4 times a year. If you are a monthly filer, or you have sales across multiple provinces, this walkthrough covers the core, but go confirm your specific obligation directly with CRA. Getting frequency wrong is not a small deal. CRA charges compound daily interest on late remittances. If you have not registered for HST yet, you can click on this video. Once your numbers are in, you will hit submit. And here is one thing you absolutely do not want to skip. When the confirmation screen comes up, you will see a CRA confirmation number. Screenshot or save it. That is your proof that the return actually went through. CRA will also send a confirmation to your My Business Account inbox. Check it within 24 to 48 hours just to be sure. Here's the one habit that makes HST filing completely stress-free. Keep your HST in separate account from day one. Each time you send an invoice, move the HST portion out. When filing day comes, the money is already sitting there. No scramble, no surprise, no where did that money go. Personally, I use Wealthsimple for this. No monthly fees, free transactions including Interact e-transfer and CRA payments. And if you use my link, you will receive $25 sign-up bonus. And I will also receive a small commission. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Alright, let's bring it home. 3 things that make HST filing simple every time. 1. Know your 2 numbers before you start, your sales and your expenses. 2. Understand what each field is actually asking, do not guess. And 3. Keep your HST money separate, so filing day is never a surprise. And if you want to go deeper on maximizing your ITCs, that video is coming soon. If this is your first time filing, you just did something most people put off for months. Nice work. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.